2 days after the women's sprint hurdles final at the J3A's Supreme Ventures National Championships was ruled null and void, the local governing body is yet to arrive at a final decision on which 3 athletes will be selected for the World Championships and how that will be done. Following a marathon meeting on Monday, the executive body and the selection committee of the J3As are yet to arrive at a final decision regarding the outcome of the women's sprint hurdles final, which was aborted on Sunday. An attempt to have the final contested was held up for more than 20 minutes after 2015 world champion Danielle Williams, who was deemed to have false started, protested and refused to leave the track. The race eventually got underway without Williams but ended in chaos and controversy, as some athletes claimed not to have heard the gun of the starter, while others reported that they did not hear the gun of the recalled starter. Between 16 and 18 officials were locked in a meeting for more than 8 hours on Monday in an attempt to reach a consensus on the method of selection to choose Jamaica's 3 representatives for the event at this summer's IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar. TVJ Sports understands that a recommendation was made at Monday's meeting to have a rerun of the event on Thursday at the National Stadium without Danielle Williams. However, that proposal would not have been feasible, as some of the 7 competitors would have departed the island by then for various bases in Europe. It's further understood that a second proposal was mooted on Tuesday morning to select 3 of the athletes who have already attained the qualifying standard for the World Championships. However, that has not been agreed on by the local governing body, which is expected to make an announcement sometime this week. New national record holder Yannick Brown at 12.40 seconds, Janine Williams 12.72, Yannick Thompson 12.80 and Megan Tapper 12.93 have already met the IAAF qualifying mark of 12.98 seconds. The other finalists were Amoy Brown, Charmaine Williams and Shamira Williams. Reliable sources told TVJ Sports that whatever method of selection is used for the women's sprint hurdles, Danielle Williams, who was disqualified for a false start, will not be eligible for selection to Jamaica's team to this summer's World Championships. The deadline for submission of entries is September 6. The IAAF World Championships will be held in Doha, Qatar from September 28 to October 6.